This is 22nd May 2023 and it's my birthday today. So as you can see here, market opened on a slight gap down of about 30 points, and from there market is trying to move down. So as you can clearly see here, this trend line has been respected in the previous days, and also we can see that market will move down only if this particular trend line is being broken. And also if you are a person who are looking into chart patterns in indices, we can see that here this path we can consider this as a head and shoulder at this point. But again, if you think that this is a head and shoulder, ideally it should go down. But what happened is market has recovered from this level. That means even though it was a head and shoulder, market tend to move up from this point. So only an upward movement can be expected if market breaks above 44,100 and 44,150, which is the all-time high. And if market is breaking below this, then we can expect a downward movement till 43,535, 668, and we can expect a further down move only if this area of demand, which has been taken in the previous trading day, this zone has to be broken in order for Banknifty to come down and take a support, or else to break down. So let's hope for the best. I am anticipating that market is going to come down to 43,700, which will be in my favor. So yes, I am in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, let's see how the market is going to react in the intraday. So exactly as I mentioned in the afternoon, we can see that the market has gone down and touched the trend line, which is on 43,700, and 700 was not able to be broken in the second half, and what we could see is an upward movement from there till 43,970. It was planning to move up to 44,000, but there was a huge sell at this point, as it is a supply zone which has been acting well in the previous few days. So from that level we could see Banknifty moving down, and since we could see a closing in a negative note, I would say, since it's on a negative note, we can expect a gap up or gap down, whichever it be. It's not going to be a problem. But since it has closed on a negative note and it has shown some bearishness in intraday, we can expect a further downward movement from here tomorrow if the level of 44,000 to 44,025 is not broken. So if this level is not broken, then we can expect Banknifty breaking 43,750, and that's broken, then we can expect Banknifty to give a move like this in tomorrow or day after tomorrow before this expiry. So yes, this is the view for the day. And also, if you're going bullish, the only idea about going bullish is if market is coming to this trend line, and if it is consolidating at that level, then we can expect a further upward movement from here till 43,900 or 44,000 tomorrow in intraday, and from there we can expect a reversal. So until this level is broken, there won't be any buy on breaking above any of these levels. So we'll have to wait for the right entry tomorrow on CE side. So if market is opening on a gap down, and if this is broken, then we can expect Banknifty to cover to 43,550, yes, which is going to be a good profit for me in the existing position, which I'll reveal to you tomorrow or day after tomorrow's video. So yes, stay tuned for the amazing trade that I have taken in the previous Friday, and also we'll be starting a complete stock market series in the coming 2 months. So you can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you'll be getting the video prompts on timely basis.